Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing baby bugs from Gabby's Dollhouse. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, let's start this picture and the face is gonna be a little tilted to the right. So the first thing I wanna start on the left side. And I'm gonna do a line that goes down and it's a little diagonal. Then I'm gonna imagine that it's a line that goes down in a diagonal way and I'm gonna stop right here. And the other line I'm gonna imagine that goes diagonal way down here and I wanna stop right here. So that way we're gonna have kind of like a square shape for the face. So I'm gonna go down here and trace this line. Okay, now that we have these two diagonal lines, we're going to extend this line a little bit up and I'm going to go just a little bit more straight. And this one is going to be a little bit more straight also to the top. Okay, and these lines now are at the same level. Here I'm going to do the ears and I'm going to start with an A shape. And in the other side, we're going to do the same thing. And now we're going to connect these two with a line across. And now here we're going to close this line. So I want to follow from side to side and it's going diagonal also. Okay. Now next we're going to do all the details on her face. And we're going to start inside the ears with a triangle shape. We're going to do one here and one here. Now she has a really nice decoration. Now let's do the nose, and the nose is gonna be a upside down triangle, and underneath this triangle we're gonna do two U shapes. Now on the sides we're gonna do the eyes, and these are gonna be two circles. So one here and one here. Now on the top of the eyes we're gonna do three curves. The first one is gonna be between the eyes, so let's do the one on the center is going between the eyes, and then we're gonna do one on the right and one on the left. Okay, next we're gonna do the whiskers, and these whiskers are moving a little, so we're gonna do kind of like a zigzag line. So I want to start up here kind of like the same distance of the eyes. I'm gonna go up, down, up. And I want to do another line, leaving a space in between, following the same shape. And then we're just connect at the end. Let's repeat that again here. This time we're going to do a little bit more zigzag down. So I'm going to go down, up, down. And repeat the same shape. And then we just connect them. Let's do something similar here. The same thing at the same distance where the eyes are. I'm going up, down, up, down, up, and connect. And here the same thing. This one I want to do a little bit more straight, so this one is just gonna go to the left, down, to the left, down, and connect. Now let's do the body, and the body is actually a paper cup. So we're gonna start kind of like the same distance where the eye is. So let's do a line that goes diagonal on the left side, and now let's do another one that goes diagonal down on the right side. We're gonna join these two by doing a line that go across, and then outside this line we're gonna do a curve right here, a curve and a curve on the right side, and then we're gonna connect them with another line that passes really close to the first one we did here. For the feet, I'm just gonna do two square shapes, but the corners are gonna be a little rounded. Let's leave a space in the middle and we do another one. Now she has kind of like pom-poms on her feet, so we're just gonna do one circle in each leg on the bottom. Now I want to do the arm on the left side, and we're just gonna do in two parts. So the first part is gonna come out here. I'm gonna leave a space underneath the face, and I'm gonna go out, and then let's leave a space, and we're gonna do the other one. Now at the end we're gonna close with a straight line. And to do the pause, we're gonna start with leaving a space here, and we're gonna make a rectangle shape. And on the top of the rectangle, we're gonna try to do 3 square shapes with the point of the marker. If you have room, you can put 3. If you don't, you can just put 2. And here in the center, we're gonna do a line that go across. Now, in this hand or this side, she's gonna be holding scissors because she loves crafting. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a space after this corner, and we're gonna trace an oval shape. And this oval shape is thin and long, okay? Now, let's trace here. Next to the oval shape, you're gonna leave a little bit of a space, and we're gonna trace a U shape, kind of like this. Kind of like a sideways or a backwards letter C. And underneath this letter C, we're gonna do a letter W, and it's gonna look like this. Letter W. So this is kind of like the shape of a cat, okay? This in the middle of the scissors. Now, behind this cat, we're gonna do another oval really similar to this one. So look, it's gonna look like this. We're gonna do an oval shape. Now let's do 2 more ovals. The first one is gonna go around this one. So I'm going behind this cat shape, doing an oval, and come back here. And let's do 1 more here from the center of the cat shape, and then going around and connects here. Now the end of the scissors, we're gonna start from this point, kind of like in the middle of this oval shape, and I'm gonna do a line that goes out. And from here, from this cat shape, I'm gonna go 1 out. Now let's do a curve and a curve. And to finish these scissors, we're gonna do kind of like a V shape. So I'm gonna start from this corner, going down and come back up. And there is the scissors. Now we're just gonna trace the hand that goes in behind the scissors, and for this I'm just gonna go a line right here. I'm gonna imagine this line passes in behind the scissors and connects here, and the same. If you still have room here, we're gonna do a line, and in this oval shape or in the middle, we're gonna pretend or we're gonna imagine this line goes in behind. And there, that's it. We finished this baby box, and it's part of Gabby's Dollhouse show. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors of the character. At the end, I just went to do these, his cheeks a little bit more pink with this color pencil, and I just went coloring in circles. And I also used the same color that I used here to pass it 1 more time once the first one was dry, and it makes these look like they have a little bit of shadows here. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step, like this one. See you next time!